Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be addressing common problems encountered with the Amazon Fire TV Cube and providing quick fixes to help get your device back to optimal performance. If you're experiencing issues, follow these step-by-step solutions. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV Cube. Begin by unplugging the Fire TV Cube from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple restart can resolve many minor issues. Step 2. Check your HDMI connection. Ensure that the Fire TV Cube is securely connected to your TV's HDMI port. If possible, try using a different HDMI port or a different HDMI cable to rule out any connection problems. Step 3. Update your Fire TV software. Make sure your Fire TV Cube is running the latest software version. Navigate to Settings, select My Fire TV, then About, and choose Check for Updates. Download and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear App Cache. If certain apps are not functioning properly, go to Settings, select Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Choose the problematic app and select Clear Cache. This may improve app performance. Step 5. Reset your remote. If your remote isn't responding, consider resetting it. Remove the batteries, press and hold the Home button for about 10 seconds, then reinsert the batteries while holding the Home button for another 10 seconds. Step 6. Reconnect your Wi-Fi. If you are having trouble streaming, check your internet connection. Go to Settings, select Network, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your router is working properly and within range. Step 7. Factory Reset, Last Resort. If you've exhausted all other options, you may want to perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, choose My Fire TV, then Reset to Factory Defaults. Be aware that this will erase all your settings and installed apps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.